Hey y'all, I thought I'd tell y'all about a fishing trip I took with my wife. And if you like this type of content and you want to hear more of these jokes or stories and stuff of mine, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. And if you ain't already subscribed, consider hitting that bell, that subscribe button. Mm. It's good. Mm. Anyway, I was going to tell you all about a camping trip with my wife where I went fishing. I used to go fishing with my wife, but well, that didn't turn out too good. My wife was always just so squeamish and stuff. You know, she didn't like putting the worm on the hook. She didn't like taking the fish off the hook. She didn't like cleaning the fish. Always so squeamish about it. So we come up with our own little arrangement on our fishing trips when we'd go camping. Now, I'd get up 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. My wife liked to sleep in anyway, so she'd stay in bed where it's nice and warm on in the camper and stuff. And I'd go out on the boat early in the morning, and I'd go fishing until it started getting hot out, and I'd catch my limit. And then I'd come on back. I'd clean the fish and get them all taken care of. Then my wife would cook us breakfast. Then I'd crawl in the camper, take a nap. And my wife, she'd hop in the boat and she'd go on out in the lake, and she'd just lounge back and sunbathe and read a book. Now, mind you, at this point, she no longer had a need for a fishing license. She ain't fishing no more. Well, this one time we was out at the lake, we was out camping and stuff, and I got up early in the morning, went out and caught a bunch of fish, brought them back, cleaned them. My wife cooked them up for breakfast. I head in the camper to take a nap. My wife, she hops in the boat to go lounge out in the lake and sunbathe and read a book. And she's sitting on out there minding her own business when a game warden come motoring on up to her. He says to her, he says, "Ma'am, can I see your fishing license?" My wife says, "Well, I'm not fishing. You know, I don't have a fishing license, and I'm not fishing." She says, "Well, sorry, ma'am, but I'm going to have to write you up for fishing without a license." My wife says, "Can't you see I ain't fishing? I ain't caught no fish. I ain't got a pull in the water." The game warden says, "I don't care. You know, you have all the equipment here for fishing. Therefore, I got to write you up for fishing without a license." My wife says, "Why are you doing that? Can't you see I'm not fishing?" He says, "It doesn't matter. You have all the right equipment for fishing, so I got to write you up." My wife says, "Okay, you go ahead and write me up for fishing without a license." He says, "In the meantime, I want your badge number." He says, "Why do you want my badge number?" He says, "Because I want to have you arrested for rape." He says, "Well, ma'am," he says, "I'm not raping you." She says, "Well, you got all the right equipment." Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye.